Hello, it's Robert Schwemmer and welcome to my channel. As most of you heard in the news, California is currently experiencing some large storm-generated waves along the coast. I made a quick run to Ventura with my Sigma 150-600 sport lens, Nikon D850 camera to attempt to capture some videos way offshore of the surfers, and also I got the DJI Mavic 3 Classic Airborne to capture some aerials off Surfers Point Beach, which is north of Ventura Harbor. The waves were not as large as the day before as reported in the news, but nevertheless, a great day surfing some of the larger sets. So I really hope you enjoy the video.